everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove a secret code in WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, open up your WhatsApp app. I'm going to go ahead there. So you will be here in this home section, right? So first thing first, you're going to go to your locked chat. So this is my locked chat. Go ahead, tap on it. And now you're going to go ahead, tap on the settings icon on top right corner, and then tap on secret code, and you have to make sure that you have turned it off. So for me, I have already turned it off, and that's why I do not have any secret code remaining. If you have turned it off, you will find this off option right over here. Once I've turned that off, the secret code will be removed from your WhatsApp like that. So that's all you need to do, and that's it. So that is how you can do it. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.